Use Dex Screener. This is a website and a tool I use to find the meme coins and what's most of these people that you see finding these coins. Like, how you know what coin to invest in before it loses all your money and all this stuff? This is what people are looking at. Look on Dex Screener myself and see if I can find something to make me some money. All right. And then come on in and pick that like text, play that like text. All right. So meme coins are usually built on a 24-hour cycle. Some go a little bit longer, depending on if they stay popular in pop culture, but most things only center around a couple of events, a couple of things that's popular, and then they go away. As you see, this Melina coin that was popular last night is now down 11% and 27% over the past 6 hours. But overall, over the past 24 hours, it's up almost 14,000%. So if you would have got in, I got in, I was able to purchase about 3,000 coins for about $20, and that went up to $8. So you can do the math on that one. Very pleased on that profit gain. But it was very hard to sell, and then the fees and everything regarding that. Once the market goes crazy like that, everybody is on these exchanges, and it's hard to sell or liquidate the asset because their servers get oversaturated, and it's probably like over a lot of you guys' head what I'm talking about. But you definitely want to start getting familiar with this type of technology, with this type of asset, and this type of exchange and monetary volume, not just meme coins, but with coins themselves going into the future, especially with AI and quantum computing. You're going to need tokens to actually purchase and to use the applications, to use the AI. You're going to have to know what ones are going to be worth buying and worth buying at what price, or you just want to, trade and make some money for this short term 2025. I believe all this will be done and over with by June. I wouldn't be buying any meme coins or pretty much any crypto outside of XRP and Bitcoin by June 2025. All right. So boss up, boss up. You got any courier questions, any credit questions, or crypto questions? And now it's your time to ask. I am on TikTok. I do those as well. I'm gonna start a schedule probably in the afternoon during the week, and then during the weekends, usually hop on in the mornings. But not at work today because it's a holiday. It's a national holiday. Not for everybody, but for most. The stock market is closed, but we know the crypto market is 24 hours, so it is wide open, and we are here to make some money, some profit from it. Anybody interested in got any questions about what exchanges, where to buy certain coins? Trump coin is now on Robinhood. A lot of you guys pretty familiar with Robinhood, their website, so you can try that one as well. But yeah, that's what it is. And if you need to book a consultation, you can do that with me at creditk.com. Talk about secondary profile numbers, getting those second chance apartments, getting trade lines. I do sell trade lines to help boost your credit score. You're looking to get in the house, get a new apartment, got a brand new profile you need to get established. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. And let's look at these charts. You know what? I wanted to. They did something today. My other phone. Where my other phone? Where my other phone? But yeah, so book a consultation with me and then follow me on all social media platforms. So I got my phone back. Let me see if I can figure out how to buy this inauguration coin, but it looks like it's not doing too good. So I might have been in luck not be able to buy that one. And this World Liberty Financial is another good coin I'm looking at. Saying that Trump has some ties to it and it's in its pre-launch stage. But I am able to find it on Phantom Wallet and I'm up almost 30. I put in what $20 in this and it's up $20 already. It looks like this one's gonna pump. Hopefully it can get to over $1. I have $27,000 worth of this. Not 2,700 coins, I should say, not dollars worth. And then American coin, I got a lot. We got some official Elon coin and some other stuff I'm holding for this inauguration day. But let's see, we got some comments. Shut up. Where can we buy the coin at? The Molina coin. And he's trying to get a trade line. All right. So first things first, the Molina coin, Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet. Let me see if I can still. This is, see that little ghost looking thing right there? You can see it, but it's called Phantom Wallet. Go to your app store, Phantom. Phantom has like a little ghost in a purple box. That is the Solana exchange. But you can buy other coins from other networks. So if you're not that familiar with crypto, J Pharma, you also can buy from Robinhood just launched the Trump coin. They haven't launched the Molina coin yet. But if you want to buy the Molina coin, you have to. Only place I know is Phantom Wallet. Also, it's an app called Moonshot that can do it. I really don't like their website as much. A lot of fees exchanged into it. And then Pump Fund and some other websites you can buy. But Phantom is one where I buy it at. And then you just type it in and buy it. But I wouldn't buy it now because I'm pretty sure it's at its peak of $8 and it's may go to 13, 14 right around inauguration, may get a short little term boost. But once they get that run, I'm gonna show you on the screen here. You can see that Molina coin. I'm not sure how blurry it is or not. But Molina coin is already at $7.72 and it's going down, down, down by the minute and hour. Like I said, I believe it reached its peak. And if you want a trade line, you just hit me up on any social media or at creditk.com. You can leave a message or email there, or the best way is hit me up on TikTok or Instagram, DM me, and then we can exchange contact information that way and we can get started. All right. But yeah, I got trade lines, $1,000 authorized user trade line limit going all the way up to $20,000. Trade lines will help boost your credit score, ranging from $150 all the way up to $450, respectively. The better the trade line, of course, the higher the price. Appreciate you tapping in with me this morning, Mr. J Farmer. That was a good question. Great question. I see you are interested and engaged in how to make profits and make extra money while you're going about your day working. You can buy these meme coins, check them every hour, see you made some money, take profits. It's the main thing with cryptocurrency market, what gets a lot of people hurt. Well, the two things: buying at the top, buying at the high. You never buy at the high. You always wait for it to pull back. And how you know it's the high? It always tells you. Each chart has a price where it shows you how high or what's the highest a coin has ever been. So let's see if we can get this on the screen. So this coin started on the 19th of January, yesterday. Got all the way up to $13, crashed back down to $7 where we at right now. Went back up to $7, crashed all the way back down again, and went back up. So we see now there's a pattern. We have a pattern established. Looks like this $7, 750, 760 range is the floor. So every time it hits that, boom, it bounces back up. Boom, bounces back up. Boom, bounces back up. Boom. Now it looks like it's on its way back up from this $7 mark. But you see, every time it goes up, it doesn't go as high as it did the last time. So I don't think we'll ever see this 13, 14. We may get up around this range, $10, or at the very least, $9 is what the high we most may see. But you never know with these meme coins, Melina might come out there and slap Trump, or Melina might fall down some stairs, and that may boost the the price of this coin. So all kind of weird stuff can happen like that. So that's what that is. The new coins are so hard to buy. Yes, they are very hard to buy, and that's for a reason. You know, might be a good thing because a lot of these coins are scams and rug pulls and not really great to buy. So, a lot of exchanges don't put them on there so they might get sued. So a lot of websites don't put these type coins on there for exchange of, people losing a lot of money. So you are right. These coins are very hard to buy. It's almost like it's a secret for how to buy these stuff. You see this stuff all over Twitter, Instagram, and places, people buying this stuff, but you never really know how to buy. But I'm here to make it easy for you, Jay Farmer. I got some experience. This is my third crypto bull market. I've been in the crypto space really since about 2011. Really didn't know nothing about it. It's kind of hearing it like people are now, like, "Oh, what is that? What is that?" But never really taking much interest in it. Up until 2014 is when I first really started buying into crypto, and then you know, held some and sold some at the end of 2017, which I would have never done that. But we are here now. Went through the 2017 market, the 2020, 21 market, and now this is my third bull cycle, and I am ready to capitalize and become hopefully a millionaire during this next 3 to 6 months. So ask me anything about crypto, courier, and credit, and that's how I started with this crypto thing, is having good credit, taking a $17,000 Navy Federal credit card and buying Bitcoin with it back in 2016, 2017. And I've been doing very well ever since. But the main thing is I wasn't taking enough profits or taking profits too soon. But that's, you need a crystal ball to really gauge that accurately. But my thing is take profits often and take profits early is better than taking profits too late. And as we see this going back up, the Molina coin is going up. Let's see if we can go to where's my cursor? Let's go to the $5 candle, 5-minute candle. You see the last 5 minutes is going up. Like I said, I'm thinking we can probably get to this $9 mark pretty soon. From 7 to 9, that's a nice little profit gain. Nice percentage gain right there. So that's, not a bad profit. About 12% gain right there. And it's going up steady. This green candle going up steady. Mr. J Farmer, I hope you still paying attention and tapped in. And this tool is called Dex Screener. This is how I find and look at these meme coins to know which ones I want to buy or continue to hold, or do I want to go ahead and sell it before I lose all my money.